how to play. In the last video, we did how to add this traveling at the end of songs, but you can also add them in the middle of songs, right? All you have to do is to eliminate a few notes and you can do that. So instead of doing there are three me's there, me, you can delete two of them and replace it with a scale since you are on the same note. So all you can do is mi, re, do, re, mi. So you did mi, re, do. So you eliminated two mi's for you to have your scale ready. I'll do it one more time. Okay, I missed that. So you understand, then you cannot add these two. So basically that's that. So how you can add that climbing in the middle of songs is to eliminate some notes and you'll be able to add it. Right? You can apply these in other songs. Try it yourself, you see it's very workable. Good.